Welcome back, dear students. Dear students, today we are going to do accidental reports. Students, before starting our accidental reports, I would like to explain you what are accidental reports and what is its format. Now, accidental reports are the reports based on the incidents related to any accident. Reports always are written in past form or reported speech. Now, students, as in the very first line, I explained you that accidental reports are the reports based on the incident related to any accident. So, the person who has seen the accident, sometimes they want to explain the thing to others. So that is only the reports based on accident. Reports as one has witnessed or seen that accident in past. So the past form will be used. That means the second form of verb will be used while describing your reports. Now what is the format of accidental reports? See the very first one. Reports are always written in the box. See here I have drawn a box and in that box only you have to write your report. Now first of all, heading of the report must be written in the center of the box. So here I have written accidental report. Even in any other report also we write the report heading first, and then name of the reporter or writer will be written under heading. So under accidental report heading, I have mentioned here by ABC. By means it is the writer or the reporter name. Then on the left hand side of the box, we must write the date, and after that we must write place. Place on where you have seen the accident or from where you are writing your report. And then is your content means the reporting scene, the scene which is describing the whole matter. Now we will take one example of this accidental report. See, I have taken write an accidental report which took place near your school. So here you are describing that you have yourself at the time of when you were leaving the school. At that time you saw an accident. Now see, I have drawn the box first of all, and then I have written accidental report. Then I wrote by ABC. You can write your name also here, and then you have to write date. So today is 31st December, so I have written that. Then you have to write place. Place is your Sonipat only. Now an accident took place near our school gate at 2 p.m. It was between a student and a bike rider. So a person who was riding on a bike and a student from your school only. Between those two, the accident took place. The student was on his bicycle. So the student was on his cycle and both of them were at normal speed. So they were not very fast. But they couldn't saw each other and so they collided. Because they were unable to see each other, so they collided, and because of that collide both fell on the ground. They fell on the ground but were safe. They were safe as the speed was normal. So the gatekeeper and the PT teacher helped both of them to stand. So they were helped by the PTI teacher and the gatekeeper in standing. And then in the end of the report, you must give some advice. So in the end line, I'm writing here, we should always drive slow to keep us safe. Hope the report matter is clear to you people. Thank you.